Well, hello there, my friend, and welcome to another Technical Tuesday. And today we're going to learn how to slice a mango two different ways. So join me around the corner. All right, kids, here we go. We're going to slice a mango. So the first way is we're going to start by peeling it, and just anywhere you want to start with the peeler. Man, I have to check my man card. Can't get this thing going. There we go. Get it about halfway around. And grab you a paper towel and use that to help hold it because it is slickery. As one of my kids said when they were growing up, a little bitty, slickery. So we'll just continue peeling this. I'll get it peeled, and then I'll show you how to slice it. All right, you'll notice that the mango here has a wide side and a narrow side. So what we want to do is we want to cut and slice on the narrow side. So we're going to take our chef's knife, come about a third of the way in, come straight down. This has a rather large pit in it, so we did good on that one. We'll come over here about the same. Slice down. And the pit actually goes something like this. I cut into a little bit. You can see it right there. So I'm going to cut down now. Oops, a little too close. There we go. And what is that? Ooh, bad spots, what that is. But I can come down here and trim along the edges. And that is chef's privilege. So sweet. Delicious. Now at this point you can do it any way you want to. Do a kind of a small dice. And work your way through the rest of it. There's some, get that bad spot out of there. And that's one way to do a mango. Now the second way to do a mango is without peeling it. So again, you have the wide side, the fat side, or the skinny side, the narrow side. We're going to use the narrow side again. So stand it up about a third of the way in, cut like that. About a third of the way in, down. Come around here. Man, that's a big one. There we go. Then you, this is a popular way to do it, like on buffets and things like that. So come in here with your paring knife. It'd be helpful if this was a little riper. And you start making cross hatches, just like this. Little slits. Then you turn, go at a 90-degree angle. Just like that. Then you just push it open. And there you have it. That's the second way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this mango slicing. And we'll see you next time on Technical Tuesday. And remember this, a day in the kitchen beats a day of working any day. We'll see you then. See what I mean?